Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the trading disabled error on MT5, also known as the MetaTrader 5. So if you're getting this message and can't place trades, don't worry because we're going to be fixing it step by step. So first, you just have to make sure that you're logged into your correct account. So to do that, go to the File menu, click on Login to Trade Account, and enter your login, password, and server details properly. Because sometimes just logging back in solves the issue. Next is to check your account if it's still active. So if you're using a demo account, it may have expired. So for real accounts, you have to contact your broker to confirm that your account isn't suspended or inactive. Next is to make sure that your internet connection is working. So you have to check the bottom right corner of your MetaTrader 5 screen, and if it says no connection, then you'll need to reconnect to the internet. Next is to enable trading on symbol. So go to the Market Watch panel, right-click on the symbol that you want to trade, then click Specification, and you have to make sure that trading is allowed on that asset, because some instruments are view-only or temporarily disabled by the broker. Next is check the trading hours. So trading might be disabled if the market is closed. For example, Forex markets are usually closed on weekends. So you have to check if it's within the correct trading hours for the instrument. Next is the auto trading. Well, this is optional for EA users. So if you're using an expert, advisor, or EA, you have to make sure that auto trading is turned on. So you have to look for the green auto trading button in the toolbar, and it should not be red. Lastly is to contact your broker. So if all else fails, then you have to contact your broker. So you have to let them know that you're getting a trading disabled error, and they can check if your account or symbol has any restrictions. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the trading disabled issue on your MetaTrader 5. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!